Look at this thing. Fish on. Yes. Yes. Fish on. Fish off. Let's go dig it. Merry Christmas! Can you tell I'm in the Christmas spirit? I had to do it, okay? I'm excited for Christmas. I love Christmas. It's my favorite. And I thought, you know what? Why not just go out fishing in my Santa hat? I'm feeling very jolly and joyful. And yeah, I'm excited for today. It's really cold. It's currently 33 degrees with some wind. But I'm not giving up. I'm going to keep trying. I have my coffee, so I'm excited about that. But I also am going to have like a red theme today, so I don't fish with red typically. Gosh, I need to back this up. Ooh, not tip. Could you imagine? I've been thinking about this. Like, if I flipped in this, I would be okay. But it kind of would be dangerous just because of how cold the water is. And I'm in heavy insulated boots. I have 2 pairs of pants on, 3 shirts on. This, I just feel like I would just have to hang on. Like, I don't even know what I would do. I should probably think about that. I would first have to try to kick off my boots so they weren't so heavy, which would be really hard with the laces. I don't know. It's not going to happen, but if it did, I would just try to get to the shore and hold on to my kayak. It's not going to happen. But I will say launching was much harder, just because I feel so like heavy weighted and my fingers are already like bright red and going numb. But it's just hard to not do anything with these mitts on. I mean, they're super warm, but it's just hard. I don't know. But so today I'm going to try a couple things. This red rooster tail, 'tis the Christmas season. And then I do have these. I'm just going to show kind of where my mind is going. I don't like making a video just to one thing in case it doesn't work and I have to switch it up. But my ideas are the rooster tail. And then I have these Crappie Maxx. They're just a 1.5 inch Squirmin grub. This is even harder than I need thumbs. And I guess they have some salt on them, but these little guys. And then if that doesn't work, I do have baby shad and they're red with some sparkles and white. I'll just use a 1/16 ounce weight for those, for these two. And we'll see what happens. But from my understanding and everything I've read, you should keep it small just because they're kind of in their hibernation mode. So they're more likely to take a little snack versus something, you know, real big. And I've also read just to kind of wear them out. They may see it and not want it the first time or the first few times, but eventually they're going to get sick of it and just want to like hit it. Not sure if that's true either, but I'm going to try. And I hope I brought it. Actually, I didn't check. But I didn't take it out, so it should be in here. Ooh, it is. Okay. I like this stuff for the winter especially. It's Gulp Alive Crawfish. I've never used it when I was on the kayak. I've always done it bank fishing because I just really don't want it to hit anything. But I'll just have to make sure I spray it into the wind and not like this way, because I don't want to smell like crawfish. But super excited. Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope that you have an amazing time with your family and friends. And I am going to be taking a week off, Christmas week, just to spend time with family and focus on them, just in case you don't see anything. But I'll get back at it after. Just want to take that time off with them and focus. So I hope that you guys have an amazing Christmas. And oh my gosh, I didn't tell you. I just looked at it. Because I have my new rods, and they're amazing, and I don't want anything to happen to them. And if you guys have followed me before, you know that I have dropped a rod in the water before. I bought, and people have also brought up ideas, and I found these lanyards. I can just clip it. I guess I can just clip it right here. Yeah. So in case I were to drop something, which is probably more likely since I can't feel my fingers as much with the cold weather, I have these lanyards for my rods, because I ain't gonna let nothing happen to my pride rods, okay? I would be devastated, absolutely devastated. Not sure how to use this. I'll figure it out. But I got these on Amazon, and I'll figure out how to strap this on the rod itself, and then you clip this to this, and then if anything were to happen, I still got it. So I'm excited about these too. But I'm gonna get all rigged up, and I'll let you know what I start with. I'm gonna think about it for a minute. All right, Merry Christmas, and let's go jolly, joyful jigging with Jess. It's a lot of J's, but I'm in the Christmas spirit. So I'm all rigged up, and I have my lanyard on my rod so I don't lose it. I'm excited about this. I should have done this a long time ago. I made sure to strap it above my reel, just so it doesn't like fall off, but it is on there pretty tight. And I went ahead and went with something really small. This one, it's just a 1/16 ounce weight, and it has the salt on it, so I feel like, I don't know if that'll help, but do a little. I'm gonna get that on my fingers. Okay. And gosh, it's so cold. There has to be some better fishing gloves out there that just make more sense. I really need my fingers. Okay. My fingers, they're burning. I should have got some hot hands. Alright, let's see how many casts I can get. Over. See, what do I do? I might need to. I'm gonna clip it to my boot so it stays out of the way. Okay. Fish on. It was already all worth it. All this work. Yay! Open your bottle. A bass! Yay! Merry Christmas! Yay! It worked. Okay, let's try again. My fingers are so cold. I'm fine everywhere but my fingers. I'm trying to. I don't know if I can do it with mitts. I really should have just got normal gloves, but I didn't know if you could get normal gloves that you can, like, you know, then easily get to your fingers. But man, this is bad. Lesson learned. Don't get mittens. I can't believe I caught a bass. Like, I can't believe it. Freaking, like, so fast too. See, here I go. Now I'm gonna complain that my fingers are cold. Do I keep exposing them? Ugh. Sorry. look over here. Well, with this wind blowing, I really don't even need to reel. I can just troll. Dang. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Ooh. It's going way too fast. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna have to go somewhere else because I'm just gonna keep getting blown on the. I'm gonna try to stabilize myself on this structure. So when the wind blows, I just hit this. I got to, because my fingers are burning. Okay, reel. Okay, don't give up, don't give up. Come on, fingers. See this wind chill that feels like feels like 28. That's about right. I'm not gonna lie. Still got something. Well, I had to get out there anyway, so works perfect. I'm sure you guys all know the trick. If you're snug on something, you just reel all the way to it and boom, get it back every time. I have to take a second to warm up my hands, sorry. Dropped my Gulp spray in the water. Hashtag can't feel my fingers. Just put it in freezing cold water. Good thing this stuff's glued. Alright. Back at it. Fish on. Yes. Thank you. Ooh. Fast. Yay. Oh gosh. Come here. Open your bail. Okay. Woohoo! Don't give up. Never give up. Never give up. My whole body is starting to shiver. I'm trying to calm it down because that's start burning a lot of energy and calories, and when you're shivering. I'm gonna sip on my coffee some more, and then if I can't calm down my shivering, I'm gonna have to get out because it's not going to be very safe for me to pull out my kayak and try to get out safely. I can't stop my shivering, but I've been out here for about 2.5 hours. So as much as I want to fish, gotta be safe. But it sucks that I'm to this point because shivering and shaking is not good. Not good. But actually I said I was going to drink coffee, didn't I? Let's see. It's not even really warm. Gosh, it's so frustrating because I want to stay out here, but my hands and my glove is wet, unfortunately. Couple more. Fish on. Bass. Another bass. Yay! Merry Christmas. Open your bell. Woohoo! Yay! I've always believed in pushing myself because no one else is going to. And today was one of those days. The elements made it tough to get out there, but it was all worth it, and I actually had a great time, believe it or not. I am going to take a week off to focus on family and friends, so I will see you all again in the next couple weeks. I hope everyone is able to enjoy time with family and friends as well. Wishing you all a Christmas full of memories and magic. Stay tuned for a typical Jess blooper. See you guys next time. But I'll just have to make sure I spray it into the wind and not like this way, because I don't want to smell like crawfish. Maybe this. Ew. Did you see that? Ew, I smell it. Ew, I smell it. Ew. It's in the wind, Jess. It's on my phone. Okay, where's the wind? I think that might have got on my camera. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. It's all over my phone again. Ew. Yuck. That is nasty. Blech. Blech. Blech.